I'm making wontons today. Oh, that's big piece. I'll put the lid on. We'll steam for about 10 minutes. We need a lot, so I'm gonna have to cook a lot more.
What do you put? What do you use it? Do you eat it with the sauce or anything?
No, we don't eat a sauce.
You just eat it plain? You don't like it with seasoning sauce and lime?
No.
I do. I love it with seasoning sauce and lime. Like soy sauce?
I want soy sauce.
Okay.
We can pick up the butter with our hands after you use these special tongs. I saw a stain that's coming out here.
We're going to flip some.
Okay.
Ooh, it's almost done. It's soft.
We're good.
Okay, we don't want it too soft, so now we can drain it out.
Yeah, we don't.
Let's turn it off and put it on top of the lid.
On top of the lid.
So I gotta drain that water out, okay?
They. That drain the water out. You don't listen to me. That's all the smoke coming out. There.
Watch your fingers.
That big piece of
And put it in here.
Hey. Okay. Wait, it's not coming out.
Here, go ahead. Put the wontons in.
We need to melt. We need to melt first. We need to melt first. I want to see it melt. It's really slow as melt. It's gonna melt. Oh my god.
Okay, go ahead.
I know.
You could pick them in one by one too, like this.
Oh, I want to put in. I want to put it in. Wow! This one. Oh, I got this one. Well, that's a wow. I'll put another one in.
Harry, the butter's melting.
Oh, it's melted. Oh, it's melted.
We could turn it down a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh, no, I missed that one. I got it.
Pour it in before the rest burns.
No. Wait, Mom, what you eat that one?
I ate one, yeah.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Mom, what you doing?
It was delicious.
Yeah. We have to put it in here first.
Hurry, 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 hurry.
What are you doing?
Now let me get you some soy sauce.
I only put one drop in it. Move it around, Mom.
Ooh, they're getting crispy.
Yeah.
Go ahead, add some seasoning sauce inside.
Seasoning that. This soy sauce seasoning.
That's good, that's good, that's good. Okay, now your lemon. You want a Thai chili pepper?
Are they spicy?
I love Thai chili peppers. They are spicy though.
No, I'm not putting that in there.
You sure?
Oh, I'm doing it.
Good, good. Squeeze it harder. Squeeze it harder. Like this. Squeeze it with all your fingers. Like this, look. Get all your fingers and squeeze it. Use your palm. Use your palm.
Okay, I'll do that.
Okay, yeah, go ahead. Yep, there you go. Look at that squeeze. Look at all that juice. Ooh, you strong. Not too hard, not too fast.
They're getting crispy.
Yeah.
Oh, these ones are getting black. Ow!
Oh, okay, here, I'll do it. I'll do it.
Mom.
I got it, because you're getting burned. Are you okay?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Well, let me see. You're good. Alrighty, now you can enjoy it.
And you'd have some too. Mama, follow for more tips.